You want to know how I achieved this and that? Watch this video. Welcome back to my channel. Anyways, happy Mother's Day to all beautiful mothers out there. I made this meal for a very special person in my life, which is my mother. I love her so much and I hope she will enjoy. I didn't really do about 7 colors. I just decided to stick to what she loves. Okay, I was done with the rice. I didn't really see much need to explain more about it. Sonke siyakwazi pay rice. I was removing the white ends of the spinach. I don't really like including them when I'm cooking. Some people do though. When I was done removing that part, I started washing the spinach thoroughly. At this moment, I was busy thinking that I actually prefer chopping spinach rather than cabbage. Yo, cabbage is so irritating. Tada, done and ready for the heat. Moving on, I soaked the chicken breast for like 2 minutes. Then I started seasoning it, and I started with inkunzi engasali 6 gun, followed by some cayenne pepper, and lastly paprika. I chopped some carrots and onions for the sides. Then I started making the spinach, and for the spinach I try by all means to just keep it simple. I only put paprika. Lastly, I add some salt. And just like that, I was done with the spinach. Only the cream was remaining. I didn't film the cream until this part, but I only used milk, butter, and a spoon of flour. Then I added 1 slice of cheddar cheese. Then I fried the carrots and I only used 6 gun as a seasoning and added some curry leaves. Moving on to the second last part, I was frying the chicken breast. I tried by all means not to put in a lot of oil because my mom doesn't like it. And just like that, the chicken breast were ready. I made this cream the very same way I made the one for the spinach, but I didn't put the cheese on this one and I had to add some seasoning. Then I added the fried breast to the cream. Then I also put some parsley for color. Finally, asparagine. I hope my mom is going to enjoy it. Anyways, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.